Hello my lovely viewers, welcome back to my cooking channel. So today's recipe is omelette sandwich. Very delicious, very perfect for breakfast. Everyone loves it. So let's get started. Let's quickly take a look at the ingredients to make this recipe. So here I'm using 2 white eggs. Then I have 2 brown bread slices. You can use white, cinnamon, whatever flavor you like. I'm just using brown bread today in this recipe. Then here I have pepper jack cheese. Again, you can use any cheese you like, white, cheddar, whatever. Then I have finely chopped green chilies, a little bit of finely chopped onion and cilantro. So it will add really good flavor to this recipe. I do like crunch and color, so I'm adding these three, but these are completely optional. If you don't like, you can just simply use salt and pepper. That would do a job. And then we have a little bit of butter, and here I have like half teaspoon of milk. I'm going to use this milk when we beat our egg just to make fluffy, but you can also use water if you don't want to use milk. It's completely optional or up to you if you want to use milk or water. And again, I say you don't have to add all these veggies and flavors. You can just simply use salt and black pepper. So let's get started with the recipe. Alright, so I'm going to crack these 2 eggs into this bowl. So here's my first one. And then this is my second one. Here we go. And into that I'm going to add this little bit of milk. And again, you can also use water if you don't feel like using milk. Whisk it up a little bit. Now into these eggs, I'm going to add finely chopped cilantro, finely chopped onions, and a little bit of the finely chopped green chilies. It will add really good flavor as well as the crunch, like I said before. If you're one of the person who don't like the smell of the omelette or don't like the plain omelette itself, try adding these ingredients. It will taste good and it will not even smell much because of the cilantro. And now I'm going to beat this very well, whisk it properly, and then only thing we have to add is black pepper and salt. Here I'm adding my black pepper and salt, and now mix it very well and whisk it properly, and we are ready to cook this. Okay, let's get start making our omelet. Alright, so here is my pan and I'm going to add butter into it, and make sure that the entire pan bottom is covered with the butter. And I think we don't need this much butter, so I'm going to take out the half. And as you can see, my butter is started melting, so now I'm going to pour this egg mixture in. Just give it a quick stir before pouring that into the pan. Now in few seconds you will start seeing the white ring around it. That means it has started cooking. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this bread slice on top of the omelette and let it sit there for at least couple of seconds, then flip it over and make sure this omelette part is facing up, just like this. And now let it cook this again, and then we will flip it over. And I'm going to try to see if it's done from the bottom. It is cooked from the bottom, so we are ready to flip this over. As you can see, it is cooked, and I cannot find my regular spatula that I used to make this omelet, so I have to use whatever I can find, and I'm praying that I don't break this. But here I would like to share with you guys, if you break this, it does not matter because we are going to fold this in anyways. So if you break this, do not worry. It does not need to look pretty, but it's just need to taste good. So if you, yeah, don't worry about looking perfect because we are going to fold this anyways. Okay, now I'm going to let this cook from the other side as well. The bread needs to be cooked a little bit, so we are going to let this cook. Okay, so we are ready to flip it over again. So as you can see, my omelette is broke already, so do not worry because that's the part that we are going to fold it in. So don't worry about it if this happened to you. And now we will start folding this. So I'll get the sides first. Yep, just like that. And now I'm going to put this slice of cheese on top of this bread or between breads. And now you want to bring the other bread over, just flip it over just like this. So here is our omelette French toast bread sandwich is ready. Just try to make it square, look it square, and that's it. And if you cannot shape it, who cares? This is real home cooking and this is how it's gonna look, but it does taste good. So here is our quick delicious breakfast is ready, but I do want to show you guys from the inside because of the cheese, because I want to show you guys the melted cheese. How does it look from the inside? But let me zoom in a little bit so you can see better. Look at this delicious melted cheese. It looks so tempting and yummy. Can't wait to try it. And thank you so much for watching this video guys, and I hope you have enjoyed watching it. Please subscribe to my channel and share my videos with your friends and family, and I will be back with another great recipe. Till then, bye bye.